Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Sunday, October 8th. Time is around 1 p.m. GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So it's Sunday, markets are closed, but we will have a look at the higher time frame, and we will also prepare the lower time frame for Monday, October 9th. So here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the Dow Jones is that we made a wave 1 up here. We came down then as a corrective structure A, B, C, down here as a wave 2. We did not reach the 0.5 FIB retracement level, which we would normally do for a wave 2, but we came quite close. And then from here, I would expect that we start a wave 3 to the upside. So a wave 3, which is located right here. If we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then we should go here into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Now, this looks quite bullish, but of course, this is not for tomorrow. We should go there in 5 waves. So now I believe we are working here on a wave 1. So here in the weekly, there's also an alternative scenario possible, like a bearish scenario, and that would mean that the wave 2 correction is not over yet. So what could happen is actually that we are doing a flat structure here. So then it would mean we came down here as in wave A in 3, 1, 2, 3. We went back up as a wave B, and now we can come down as a wave C in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, deeper into this area, and then the wave 2 would be finished right here in this area. So, but for the moment, there's not really a need to focus on this scenario. Current price action is here, the low is made here. So, I think it's better to consider to put more attention on more bullish scenarios or less bearish scenarios than the very bearish one here in the weekly. However, like now we are in a downward cycle here in the weekly. We broke this upward cycle here, so it definitely means we need to consider bearish scenarios, and this is what we will also do. Therefore, we go to the daily. And so here in the daily, what we see is that our wave 2 low is located here. And so I have now 2 scenarios in the daily. One scenario in green, which assumes that we had a wave 1 here, a wave 2 down here, and now we are working on this wave 3 here, or this wave 3. Yeah, we are working on this wave 3, but again, this wave 3 consists of, or has to consist of 5 waves because it's an impulse. And then we could count this as the first wave 1 here, so in the lower degree, this here as a wave 2, and then from this area where we are currently at, a wave 3 to the upside should follow, and then next a 4 and a 5 to finish this wave 3 here. So that would be the bullish scenario in the daily, but as you can see, for the moment, also here we are in a bearish cycle. So therefore, I believe it's also important to consider at least one bearish scenario in the daily. So I already showed you an extremely bearish scenario in the weekly, but in the daily, there is still something else that could happen. And that would be that this wave 2 low here is not in yet. Then it would mean that we still have our wave 1 here, but the structure we are currently looking at could be an expanded flat. So that would mean that we come down here in 3 as a wave A. Then this here is something corrective as a wave B. So an overshooting wave B, that's the characteristic of an expanded flat. And then from here, we go down in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, into this area to finish wave 2, and we would finish this wave 2 as an impulsive wave C. So this area we can find by taking here the length of the wave 1, and then we know that our wave 2 should go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 Fib retracement. So what's actually important now for this bearish scenario not to play out is that we start to move up from here. So for now, it still looks corrective, like a WXY structure, I would say, but yeah, we have to finish somewhere here. Otherwise, this could evolve as an impulse, like a 1-2-1-2 setup, or the wave C might already be ongoing here as a wave 3. So we can have a closer look at this in the 4-hour. So here in the 4-hour, so the scenario in green assumes that we had a wave 1 here and not an overshooting wave B. So I would say this is the bullish scenario of the two scenarios I just presented. So this is a wave 1. If this is a wave 1, then we know that our wave 2 should go here into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 Fib retracements. And then this corrective move is playing out as an A, B, C. I think I set an WXY correction when I was discussing the daily, but I meant an A, B, C correction. Wave A down, then triangle as a wave B, and then now again an impulsive structure as a wave C. So if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then we know that the wave C should go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 Fib extension. And so as you can see, we have a very nice reaction from this area. Last Friday, we had a nice move to the upside. So that could really mean that the low might be in right here, and that we start a new upward cycle in the higher time frame from here. So some elements that favor the upward move or more upside would be that it looks like we are starting an upward cycle here. We also have a complete structure as an ABC. Within this wave C, we also have 5 waves ending with divergence. So this is all good, I would say. However, on the other hand, we also have, like in the daily, we are still in this bearish cycle. Also, in the weekly, we broke this RSI trend line. This is something that does not really happen in a wave 2. So this would favor actually the more bearish scenario, in which we go here to this area. And if we have to go to this area, I would say that we had a wave 1 so far, then wave 2 up, this here as a wave 3, and so now this move up could be part of a wave 4, and then this wave 4 should be followed by another impulse down in 5 waves or 5th wave, and that would enable us to reach this area here and also take out this former wave 2 low. So I think it's now really a matter of do we hold this low or not? I think if we do not hold it, this opens the door to way more downside, I think, because this then becomes our next target, I would say. Like I do not really believe in a scenario where we just make a marginal new low, like a marginal new low you make when it is not really clear if you are in the wave 4 of the wave 3 or the wave 4 of the wave 5. I think this here is quite clear. Like we have a complete structure here, in my opinion. So if we break the low, I think it's for way more downside in the sense that another impulse down as a wave 5. So this is something to look at the next days. Will this low hold here or not? If we go to the lower time frame, then here you see what I just said. So the wave counts, but also with their subwaves. Like I told you, this looks like an ending structure, both in the green and the red scenario. But now the question is, like after 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, 3 waves are corrective, 1, 2, 3, then it should stop here, and from here we should move up again. Or do we get 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would mean that we are doing this wave C of an expanded flat structure. So now I would say this low has become important here. This is quite an important low right now. And the price action we are currently looking at, if we go to the 15 minutes, again, we have 3 waves. So still everything is possible. Like you could count from this low, as we now have 3 waves, you could count this still as corrective, A, B, and a C wave. So we are now, if it would be a wave 4, we are in the wave 4 area. However, if we get like a 4th and a 5th wave, then this would become an impulse. And so then this would really favor the bullish case. Then the next steps are, so first of all, we need a 4th and a 5th wave to confirm that this is an impulse. And then more importantly, when we have the pullback here after a complete impulse, this wave 2 then should hold the low. So we cannot go beyond this low anymore. If we do not hold this low, then I believe we are in the scenario where we can get another impulse down as a wave 5. So quite an important moment for the Dow Jones, I would say. Or we go up here after 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, right here. However, if we do not hold this low, we will have 5 waves. Then we have this 4th and the 5th wave. So the things to watch next week are, first of all, do we get 5 waves here up? For the moment, we only have 3, so it can be corrective. Do we get 5 waves up here? And then secondly, after we go down again, after the first impulse, then this should be corrective as a wave 2. And then we need to hold this low right here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Tuesday for another analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.